Hello everybody, Andrew here. I'm still trying to work on this YouTube shit, but come home, I just got off work. It's fucking 11:58, and I've got fucking birds. I got birds that were on there were birds on the porch, so that's cool bean. My fucking cat, who is absolutely fucking flipping shit right now, and my damn dog, who's flipping ass shit right now, going fucking crazy over these damn birds. Kitty, now if you stay away from them, fuckhead, I'm gonna spray you. Okay, anyway, so I want to go back off subject, kind of talk about everyday routine. Like I said, I have to take medicine twice a day. And tonight I actually get to come home because I only have to work a 6-hour shift. But like this morning, whenever I got home, I have to take a piece of Suboxone every damn day. So, like I said before, gotta get this shit out every fucking day. It's fucking stupid. Cops will probably see this shit on YouTube and probably get fucking arrested, you know? It's crazy. Anyways. That's it. Just a fucking tiniest fucking piece. It's crazy. Willow, shut up. Shut the fuck up. These birds are driving y'all fucking nuts, huh? I don't know what I'm gonna do about these fucking birds. I found one pillowcase, but it's not fucking big enough. I need something to put over it. I just don't even know what the fuck to do. I need some kind of little blankets, what I need. Give me a second here. Alright. Fucking shit, this is difficult as fuck. So, I'm gonna set that down for a second while I take my meds. I need a bug, yes I am. My fucking coffee. Yep. Fuck yeah. Fucking fly, my goddamn coffee. Alright. So now blanket time. Blanket time. We have a little one somewhere. Kitty! Now get the fuck out of there! Motherfucker! Go double! God damn! These sons of bitches act like you don't know how to act. Cause there's a fucking bird in here! I mean, holy fuck sticks, sons of bitches. I know, hold on, babies. It's okay, babies.
Could you excuse me just for 1 second? I didn't know you were here.
There we go. Yeah.
Wasn't listening this one.
Now y'all fuck off. Fucking shit, man. I swear to God. Animals can be hell sometimes, especially when you got the spoiled little bastards like we do. I mean, listen, you hear my dog just non-stop damn crying. I don't know what to do about this sucker. Oh, the poor baby. Oh, I gotta get my pillows back out from work here, bro. Yeah, I take pillows to work because I'm there for 18 hours. They don't provide shit for us, so I like to lay down a little bit, you know. So I take them in a bag so I can keep them good and smelling good. These are good.
Hey, Dad.
Glad bags that smell like fucking roses or something. I don't know, but they smell good. I like them. I'll save this bag. Actually, I need to take the trash out. Fuck me. Kids have been here, I guess. Oh man, it just stuck my hand in something fucking wet. Gross. Hey, dude. You gotta stop. What's the matter? What's the matter? I mean, it's weird. They haven't even taken treats, which is crazy, because these sons of bitches are like waiting on me to get home to get treats. Shut up, bro. God almighty, damn. Hey. It's okay, bud. There's shit everywhere, man. Come on. Be right back. I gotta take the trash out. So I guess I could pause it. So it's not. Something fucking just tapped me coming in. Some fucking bug. Freaked me out. Alright. Back in. Like my coffee's super hot, so I gotta warm that back up a little bit. Alright, here we go now. So, yes, I'm a fucking freako, that's for sure. I like to make noises. But that's just what it is. Neither here nor there. Everybody likes some noises every now and again, I guess. What the fuck? Are them shoes? Fucking trash? God damn it. Son of a biscuits. Alright. Get it, got it good. Gravy. Them birds are kind of cool for the sound. Somebody's supposed to be coming picking them up. My girlfriend told me in the morning, so. There was another one in there and it died. Somebody up there where Megan works, she takes care of an old lady during the nights. She does 12-hour shifts, and then there's 2 other women that do 12 hours during the day, and I guess some of them fuckers quit feeding them, and one of them died. Yeah, I didn't even see any food outside, so I don't know if there was some seeds or not, but I did give them some water. I don't know if that helps them or not. I don't know if you're supposed to do anything to it or not, but I did pour some clean water into the little water bowl. I don't know if the water bowl was clean or not, but they got water, so. Anywho, I guess I'll let y'all go. I'm gonna get off here and try to get some shit done.